behalf of the board, management, and staff of the Central Bank of the Bahamas, welcome to this 50th anniversary memorial lecture. Since independence, the Bahamas has been able to successfully preserve the fixed rate of exchange between the Bahamian and United States currencies. This is the singular most important economic achievement that cuts across the political divide.
We must find a way to encourage more Bahamians to take ownership within the hotel sector. The reality is that we have no real control of our destiny until more Bahamian entrepreneurs invest in the tourism sector.
We as a country are small enough that we still have certain, as part of government policy over several administrations, segments of the economy that are preserved for Bahamians. I think we have all put in efforts to promote the development of small business.
We created program advisory committees for all our programs that bring together people from the industry, employers, recent graduates, to work closely with our faculty and say, are there deficiencies in our programs? What should they be? How do we make sure that they really are tied much closer to labor market needs? That's number one.
The path to inclusive and resilient growth is not without challenges. Nevertheless, working together, we can overcome them and create an even brighter future for the Bahamas.